Okay, so I just read about this robot called Reachy Mini and it's open source. I mean, how cool is it to just build your own robot?
Right? It's like a DIY project, but with robotics. And the fact that it's designed for hackers and AI builders just makes it even more exciting.
Exactly, but what's really interesting is how you can choose different platforms, like a fully autonomous version or a developer version that connects via USB.
Yeah, it's almost like they're catering to different skill levels. The wireless version sounds thrilling. Imagine the possibilities.
Wait, hold on, does that mean you can control it remotely? That's a game changer for robotics.
Absolutely. And even if you don't want to deal with hardware, there's a simulation option. You can prototype in Mujo Co without any physical components.
That's a smart move, so it allows people to experiment without the pressure of assembling hardware.
Totally, and it comes with an app store powered by Hugging Face Spaces. You can install apps with just one click.
One-click apps, what kind of apps are we talking about here?
There's a conversation app that lets you chat with Reachy Mini, which is powered by large language models. Just imagine that.
Wait, seriously, a robot that can have a conversation? That's mind-blowing.
Right? And then there's the hand tracker app where the robot follows your hand movements. It's like a real-life puppet.
I can only imagine the interaction potential there, but doesn't that also raise concerns about how intuitive the controls are?
Good point. If the tracking isn't precise, it could lead to frustration. There might be a learning curve, especially for beginners.
Exactly, and what about the tech behind it? They mention a Python SDK. How accessible is that?
It's designed to be user-friendly. You can control it with just a few lines of code, so it's pretty approachable for coders.
That's reassuring, but how does it handle complex tasks? I wonder if it can learn or adapt over time.
That's an intriguing question. While it's customizable, I think real adaptability might depend on user modifications.
So it's like a blank canvas. You can shape it based on your needs, but it won't just learn on its own.
Exactly. And there's a community aspect too. If you find bugs or want to share your creations, there's a Discord for that.
Community support is vital, especially for open source projects. It can really enhance the user experience.
For sure, but let's also consider the limitations. Not everyone has the technical skills to dive into this.
True, it could be daunting for non-coders. I wonder if there's any outreach or teaching resources tied to it.
That'd be ideal. Bridging that gap could encourage more people to get into robotics and AI.
Absolutely, and I think the design itself, being a kit, invites people to tinker and learn through doing.
Right, the hands-on experience can really demystify the technology. But what about the assembly time? 2 to 3 hours seems reasonable.
That's not too bad. I guess it's comparable to building furniture from a flat pack, but hopefully less frustrating.
Haha, yes. And the detailed guide should help keep it straightforward. But still, things can go wrong.
Like any assembly project, right? But troubleshooting resources can make a big difference.
Exactly. And with an open source license, users have the freedom to innovate. That could lead to some unexpected applications.
And unexpected challenges too. I wonder if the community will come up with some wild ideas.
I'm sure they will. It's like unleashing creativity. The real challenge, though, is maintaining quality control.
True, if people are building wildly different things, that could lead to inconsistencies.
But that's part of the beauty of open source, isn't it? The potential for collaboration and improvement.
For sure, so to sum it all up, Reiki Mini could be a gateway into robotics for many, but it does have its hurdles.
Exactly. It's exciting to think about where this could lead, especially if they address those hurdles.
And it really makes me think, what's next for robotics in terms of accessibility and creativity?
That's the big question. I can't wait to see how community-driven projects like this evolve.
Right? It'll be fascinating to watch the innovations unfold. Who knows what we'll discover next?
Indeed, it's definitely an exciting time to be involved in tech and robotics.